hit a child, assaulted his mother, and violated probation. Now he's facing the judge's wrath and a courtroom meltdown that shocked everyone. Will Judge Boyd show mercy on him?
All right, why should I do that? Because I've just seen photos of injuries in the other case. Not only did you hit a child, but you hit your mom, and you really deserved more than 4 years in that case. So why should I reduce your sentence from 5 years to 4? All right, court is calling 2023 CR 9224W, State of Texas versus Joshua Panaga. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Brittany Mitchell for the state.
Defense.
Eric DeWalt, I represent Mr. Panaga.
And are you Joshua Panaga? Okay, I think I'm missing the acknowledgement of discovery.
Oh, you know what? I did not do it.
I verbally put it on the record and sign it in a minute.
All right, counsel, have you received all the discovery in this case, and did you review it with your client?
In my opinion, I have received all of it, and yes, Your Honor, we reviewed it.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Panaga, I'm showing you what's entitled waiver of indictment, reading of information and rights under Article 1.051 and 26.03 of the Code of Criminal Procedure. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand you have a right to have this case heard before a grand jury, and the grand jury can make a determination on whether there's enough information to indict and hold you over for trial? Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand that your attorney has certain rights, namely 2 days from the presentation of the information and 10 days from the presentation of the information to prepare for trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived indictment, reading of information and rights under Article 1.051 and 26.03 of the Code of Criminal Procedure. Showing you the information, did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, you waiving the reading of the information?
I am, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the information as presented?
We are, Your Honor.
Showing you what's entitled court admonishments and defendant's waivers and affidavit of admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you're charged with injury to a child, bodily injury intentionally or knowingly? That's a third-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
In my opinion, he is and he was.
Mr. Panaga, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain agreement. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 4 years in the prison. There are no applications. It will run concurrent with 2023 CR 3067W. State will take in consideration County Court Cause number 715-914, 715-915, Night Mag number 727-486. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. There's to be no contact with Romeo and Carolina Panaga and Rosa Kalunga. Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to be designated as primary custodial parent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that to be your plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense, is that the plea? State, is that the plea?
Yes.
Showing you the waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counselor, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the offense is charged in the information. How do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Confronts.
State any evidence.
Your Honor, we offer state's exhibit number 1 and all attachments.
We've had an opportunity to go over that in its entirety. No objections.
Showing you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence state's exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing state's exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are we proceeding with sentence?
We are, Your Honor.
All right, the court will find you guilty, sentence you to 4 years in the prison. Give you credit for any time served.
Thank you, Your Honor.
This will run concurrent with 2023 CR 3067W. Take in consideration County Court Cause number 715914, 715915, NIMAG number 727486. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. There's to be no contact with Romeo Panaga, Carolina Panaga, and Rosa Kalanga. Is there anything else with regards to sentencing under that cause number?
No, Your Honor.
Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification, a defendant's rights to appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, and also because there's an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
We're going to proceed in cause number 2023 CR 3067. I'm showing you what's entitled motion to revoke community supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you the same Joshua Panaga who was placed on community supervision in cause number 2023 CR 3067 for the offense of burglary of a habitation with intent to commit assault on June 20th, 2023 for a term of 5 years? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, state.
Yes, Your Honor. On or about the 27th day of August 2023 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant Joshua Panaga committed the offense of possession controlled substance PG1 in violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
And Your Honor, we'll waive the remaining at this.
Any objections?
None, Your Honor.
And we do have an agreed recommendation for the court to
All right.
consider.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, and sentence you up to 5 years in prison?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find violation of condition number 1 true. Is there a proposed recommendation?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes.
It is to revocation and to reform the underlying to 4 years to run concurrent.
All right. All right, why should I do that? Because I've just seen photos of injuries in the other case. Not only did you hit a child, but you hit your mom, and you really deserve more than 4 years in that case. So why should I reduce your sentence from 5 years to 4? You're on probation, and all you did was pick up a new offense and frighten your family members.
I have nothing to say, Your Honor. All I can say is that, in my defense, I just signed because I know that there's no evidence to defend the accusations against me. My mother is an alcoholic. She's abused me all my life. She attacked me while I had my child in my hand, which is when I attacked her back. My grandma tried to take the child out of my hand, and they fell on the ground. And all I can say is I'm sorry.
Oh, what, you want a jury trial in that other case?
No, man.
All right.
Just take it.
So the court is going to sentence you to 5 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. affirmative finding of family violence. There's to be no contact with Justine Banda. And this will run concurrent with, I'm sorry, what was that clause number again? 2017. All right, this will run concurrent with 2023 CR 9224W. Going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you do have a limited right to appeal, and that right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you were on community supervision. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because this is a felony conviction and an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you're going to have to do better. Good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor. May we choose?
Yes.
Well, we're getting those dismissals.
All right, who is here on Lisa Pryor?
He walked out of rehab in a panic attack, vanished, and showed up months later. Now his entire future depends on one emotional courtroom plea. Will his sister help me in her testimony? Watch this case till the end to know about every detail related to case.
I think there's just been a lot of grief since my dad passed away. It's been hard. And I think the lack of support at the time that we had, it was just me and my brother. And so I think now that we have a lot more community around us, my mom's in our life again, and she has a wonderful husband.
There's an affirmative finding of family violence, give you credit for any time served, and the court will sentence you to, all right, this is family violence. Motion to revoke,
There's only a single allegation.
and you're over here.
Thanks, Judge.
You're welcome. Court is calling 2021 CR 2745, State of Texas versus Davis Alexander Villegas. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Travis Banks, the state of Texas.
Defense,
Pat Montgomery for the defense.
are you Davis Alexander Villegas?
Yes, Your Honor.
Going to show you what's entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney?
Yes,
Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you the same Davis Alexander Villegas who was placed on community supervision in 2021 CR 2745 for the offense of assault, bodily injury, married cohabitation on April 11, 2022 for a term of 2 years? Is that you?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
State?
Violate condition number 42 on or about the 18th day of August 2023 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant Davis Alexander Villegas, defendant there failed to participate in the lifetime recovery treatment program in violation of condition number 42.
How do you plead to that, true or not true? Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 42, the court could find it true, grant the motion, sentence you up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail, up to a $750 fine? Did you understand?
I understand, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition 42?
It's to be true.
Court will find violation of condition number 42 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There's no agreement between the state and defense. The state is recommending the underlying sentence be imposed.
All right, defense, what are you requesting?
Your Honor, if the underlying sentence is to be imposed, Mr. Villegas has 106 days credit. In this case, he was a fugitive. He walked away from lifetime recovery. He did so in the midst of a severe panic attack. In fact, his psychiatric issues are well known and well documented. His family was at wit's end. They'd done everything they could to support him. They had a bit of an intervention. Three of them are here today, and by proffer, I tell you this. They had a bit of an intervention, and they told Mr. Villegas, we will help you. We will come back into your life and back you up every darned way we can, but we're not going to do it as long as you have a warrant. They put him in an Uber, and the man drove an Uber to Bexar County Jail and turned himself in. Decided to put himself on the right track. Judge, when he left lifetime recovery in his panic attack, he had genuine subjective fears for his safety and his mental condition. He was at the tail end of a methamphetamine spiral. He went directly to the Center for Healthcare Services Crisis Center. They couldn't take him because he couldn't prove who he was. He had no ID. He went to Laurel Ridge. They couldn't take him because he didn't have proof who he was. He had no ID. Judge, since he's been on probation, he's taken the BIP class, which was I think the court told him it was probably one of the most important parts of probation. He's had some reports, he's had some negative UAs, he's had some missed UAs, he's had a prior motion to revoke. What Mr. Villegas and his family are asking you to do is revoke the probation. Consider the fact that he has 106 days in and satisfy the judgment, allowing them to get him into the private medical community instead of being treated through, as probation recommends, the dual diagnosis residential facility. To that end, the last thing I'd tell you is by way of allocution, my client, who is not, I won't say he's not well-spoken, but he's not a lawyer. Rather than stammer to the court, he's written, and I've already given to the prosecutor his story. I'd ask.
No objection.
Right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
So did he successfully complete the BIP course?
I'm told that he did. I would invite verification from probation.
Probation on David Villegas. Can you tell me whether or not he completed the BIP course?
Yes, ma'am. Give me one.
The state has the court summary, and it might.
Your Honor, according to the court summary, it does say that he completed it. I guess it's different tracks and there's multiple completion dates.
All righty. And has there been any violation of this no harmful contact with Hannah Barnes?
Again, Your Honor, so far as I know, no.
There's no allegation of that. Your Honor.
All right. You want to call one of his relatives to testify?
Sure. I have a hand going up. Of the three of them, one has volunteered.
All right. You'll need to step over there. So. Good afternoon. Can you state your name, please?
My name is Amanda Villegas.
All right. Ms. Villegas, can you raise your right hand for me? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
All right. You can lower your hand. What is your relationship to Davis?
I'm his older sister.
So counsel has informed the court about you all placing him in an Uber.
Yes, ma'am.
What's been going on with him?
I think there's just been a lot of grief since my dad passed away. It's been hard. And I think the lack of support at the time that we had, it was just me and my brother. And so I think now that we have a lot more community around us, my mom's in our life again, and she has a wonderful husband. And that alone has helped my brother so much in wanting to be a better father and to be a better brother and better son and to make my dad proud.
All right. So with regards to this case, what is the plan with Davis?
So we, as a family, we live together. Our goal is to help him either get his GED, to help him find a job so he can be a productive member of society. We do want to see him get some therapy so that way he can deal with the issues that he's had that have been, affecting him in his life.
All right. When you say we live together, does that mean that he is living with you all?
That is correct.
Right. And who's all in the household?
It's me, my mom, and her husband.
Any children in the household?
No, ma'am.
Do you know what's happening with Hannah Barnes?
No, I do not.
Counsel, any questions?
I'll tell the judge who else is here with you.
Yeah, my mom and her husband are here with me today.
The folks we've been talking
Hi.
about.
Okay.
Just so you know. And by proffer, they would pretty much the same thing.
All right. So if he's not taking his medications, what is the plan?
Honestly, Judge, I'm a big advocate for just helping keep his mind, body, and soul right. We go when we work out, we try to do things like eat right, we spend time with our family. And I think those things alone do help in helping with, his issues.
Right.
Mhm.
So any further questions, defense?
Nothing from me, Judge.
State, any questions?
No questions, Your Honor.
All right, thank you for
Sorry.
coming down. All right,
I believe that you would hear the same thing from the defendant's mother, perhaps more teary-eyed.
Okay.
And I don't think it would benefit the court.
all right.
It has been confirmed he did.
Right. So based upon the length of time you've been on probation, the court is going to grant the motion to revoke. So you are going to be revoked. The only question is, how much time do I give you? When I look at probation cases, I want to know, one, did you complete any conditions? Two, have you picked up any new cases? Three, have you not harmed a complainant? And the fact that in here it says no harmful or injurious contact with Hannah Barnes. Let me see if I ordered something different. Yeah, I ordered a no contact with her. So can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear, affirm the testimony you give will be the truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? All right, you can lower your hand. State your name for the record.
Davis Alexander Villegas,
All right, when's the last time you seen Hannah Barnes?
over 2 years ago.
So there's no plan to continue to be with her?
No, ma'am, I haven't seen her in over 2 years.
All right, who's at the gate? Oh, that's his client. Sorry. All right, and how much time do you have in at the jail?
I think they told me 106 days, Judge. I know it was over 100. I don't remember if it was 106 or 108 because my mind became foggy.
Well, part of sentencing, part of it is punishment. You understand? All right, this is what the court is going to do. Court is finding violation of condition number 42 true. Court will revoke. There's an affirmative finding of family violence, give you credit for any time served, and the court will sentence you to 110 days in the Bexar County Jail. Going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is asked to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you're on probation. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because this is an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. And I know they give them 2 for 1.
I thought that since he's wearing orange, that's going to be the case.
So you'll probably be out sometime later today.
Your Honor.
So it'll probably be midnight. You know how we're off the record. You know how the jail is. So it'll probably be midnight.
I'll make sure everybody's on standby. May we be excused, Your Honor?
Yes, you may be excused. You're going to have to do better.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Good luck to you. Okay.
Yeah.
Take care of yourself, Judge.
Thank you.
Happy Boss's Day.
Oh, thank you so much.